Ya bir şey arıyoruz da böyle darbuka, böyle arabesk falan çalsın. Göbek atalım ya. Abi azıcık göbek atalım ya.
The city go crazy on a Friday. Tequila start giving me a migraine. Waiting in line getting sloppy, so I'm out. Minimum tat was 1,000. Big boy at the door started bouncing. Standing outside in my Versace. Fuck it, let's go mariachi.
Let's go belly dancing.